So good morning, my dear students. Today we will do active passive voice, but the way I'm going to teach you active passive voice, for that your revision of tenses will be going side by side. Okay, so you all of you be attentive in my class. Whatever I ask you, you have to tell me that which tense is this, what are the rules of that tenses, and how to change it. So I want my all students should be attentive. In between, I can ask any of my online students as well as offline student any of the answer. So active voice and how to change active into passive. Very first rule that I'm going to take, that is of present indefinite tense. What is the rule of present indefinite tense? Hurry up. Type in chat box. What is the rule of present indefinite tense? Type in chat box. Hurry up. Hurry up. Type in chat box. What is the rule of present indefinite tense? Yes. Yes, very good. Very good. You all are sending correct answer. Verb first form or verb first form plus S or ES. Okay. And when this to be changed into passive, so what to be used is am, are plus verb third form plus verb. Now I am going to take example. I read a book. Now I here is a subject and a book here is a object. And when we change active into passive, object will become subject, and subject will become object. So here a book is read by me. A book is read by me. So this is the way to do first rule of active passive voice. A book is read by me. So this is the rule that you have to follow. Clear? A book is read by me. Clear? So I have discussed only one rule with you. Clear? So I'm going to give you two sentences related to present indefinite, because in our syllabus only and only simple active passive voices are there. Okay? So this rule is clear. Have you noted it down? Revise it thoroughly. Now change these sentences. You love your country. You love your country. Here your country is a object and you is a, so what will be its answer? Hurry up. Type in chat box. Type in chat box. What will be its answer? You love your country. What will be its answer? Tell me, its answer will be your country is loved by you. Clear? Your country is loved by you. She likes tea. What will be its answer? She likes tea. Hurry up, type in chat box. Yes, you tell me from offline. He is liked by her. Very good. Very good. So your first rule is clear. You know, I'm going so slow because I want side by side your tenses should be also revised. See, when in active I is given, I will change into me. You will change into you. He will change into him. She will change into her. They will change into them. I will change into me. You will change into you. He will change into him. She will change into her. They will change into them. And if it is given, it will change. It will remain same. So, बच्चे revise it also during active passive voice. These concepts, these points should be very much clear in your mind. Okay. So, very first rule is clear. And along with that, you have revised present indefinite tense also, that in present indefinite, we use verb first form plus S or ES. Verb first form plus S or ES. Now, next rule we have is past indefinite. Now tell me what is used in past indefinite tense. What is used in past indefinite tense? Very good. So many students are typing in chat box. Lakshya, type your answer in chat box. Type your answers in chat box. Yes. So simple in past indefinite, verb second form is used. And when we are supposed to change active into passive, then what to be used? Was, were, plus verb, third form plus by. Okay, for example, I played hockey. Now, what is object here? Hockey. What is subject here? I. So, subject here will become object, and object there will become subject. I played hockey. What will be its answer? Hockey was. No, don't say is. It is a second form. If I write down I play hockey, then hockey is played by me. But I played hockey yesterday. So hockey was played by me yesterday. Hockey was played by me yesterday. Clear, bachche? Hockey was played by me yesterday. So this is the way to do past indefinite tense, how to change active into passive. If present indefinite verb first form is given, then you will be writing is MR. I play hockey. Hockey is played by me. I love my parents. My parents are loved by me. But if you have been given past tense, then you are supposed to use was and were. I played hockey. Hockey was played by me. I liked tea. Tea was liked by me. I wrote a letter. A letter was written by me. Clear? Look at the blackboard. Be attentive. So two rules of indefinites are discussed. Now let's do third rule of future indefinite. Future Now tell me which rule is used in future indefinite tense. Which rules to be followed while doing future indefinite tense? Future indefinite. Jasleen has sent me correct answer. Yes, what about others? Drishti and Jasleen, only 2 students from online. They know the rule of future indefinite. What about others? Shall I announce their names? Hurry up, type in chat box. What is the rule of future indefinite tense? Yes, tell me. Yes, you tell me. What is to be used in future indefinite tense? Huh? Future. What is he saying? You tell me. What is used in future indefinite tense? What is used in future indefinite tense? Very good. What is used? Will or shall, verb, first form. She will go to the party. I shall do my work. Okay. We will move for a trip next week. So will and shall, verb, first form. And when we change active into passive, what do we use? We use will, shall, plus be, plus verb third form, plus by. Okay. For example, I shall do my duty. I shall do my duty. So here my duty is an object and I here is a, the subject will become and object will become. So I will start my passive voice from my duty. I shall do my duty. My duty will be, see, with duty you are not supposed to use shall. We'll be using will. My duty will be done by me. My duty will be done by me. So, bachche, write down this rule. Revise this rule thoroughly. My duty will be done by me. Clear? Let's take one more example. They will draw pictures. They will draw pictures. They will draw pictures. Then pictures will be drawn by them. Pictures will be drawn by them. Am I clear to you? Pictures will be drawn by them. Pictures will be drawn by them. Now we are able to do present indefinite, past indefinite, and future indefinite. Okay. Now fourth rule that I'm going to discuss with you of present, continuous, and past continuous. Okay. Future continuous, that is not applicable in active passive voice. Okay, so future continuous there is no need to do. We will be doing only present continuous and past continuous. Now tell me what rule is to be used in present continuous. What is used in present continuous? Very good. Is, and, are plus verb first form plus ing. And with past continuous, very good. What do we use? Was were plus verb first form plus ing. We are supposed to use these rules in present continuous, is, am, are, and in past continuous, was, were plus verb first form plus ing. And bache, when we change active into passive, this is, am, are will remain same, but along with that, in place of ing, what will be added? Being. Okay, is, am, are plus being plus verb third form plus by. And same like that, when we change past continuous into passive, then was, were will remain same, then being plus third form plus by. Okay, for example, I am teaching you. I am teaching you. I am teaching you. You, with you is, am, are. Are. You are being. You are being taught by. I will change into me. You are being taught by me. Okay, take one example. She is making tea. Now try to solve. She is making tea. All of you type in chat box. I can read your messages in chat box. Okay, hurry up. Let me see how many students are attentive in my class. She is making tea, change into passive voice. Hurry up. She is making tea. Very good, Jasleen. Very, very good. I'm really proud of you. Jasleen is the first one to send me correct answer from offline. Okay. Sanya, very good. Lakshay, Drishti. Drishti, there is one error, correct it. See, bache, there is a difference between being and being. There is a difference between these two words. Being and being. Keep this point in your mind. There is a lot of difference between being and being. Okay? Yes, you tell me what will be its answer. She is making tea. Keep your mask down. Now speak. Tea. Here is this given. So what rule is applicable? You tell me. T is being. Make third form will be Maped. Keep your mask off. Made. Tea is being made by her. Tea is being made by her. Clear? Tea is being made by her. She is making tea. Tea is being made by her. Okay. I was taking rest. I was taking rest. So rest. Here was is given. So with was same. Rest was being taken by rest was being taken by me. Clear? Rest was being taken by me. Let's take some more examples. We are doing revision. We are doing revision. We are doing revision. Type in chat box. Hurry up, solve this. We are doing revision. Very good, Jasleen. Only one has sent me answer of this. Sanya, very good. Okay, now I can ask this answer from any of the child. Angadeep, you tell me this answer. Yes, Angadeep. Try to do this answer. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. If you are not able to unmute, type in chat box. If you are not able to unmute yourself, type in chat box. So you can type in chat box. Yes, now tell me. You're audible. Unmute yourself. Type in chat box. बस जब आंसर ना आता ये ड्रामा करना स्टार्ट कर दो, है ना? This is the right way. I am saying if you are not able to unmute yourself, type in chat box. ड्रामा नहीं चलना मेरे सामने. जब इनसे आंसर्स पूछे उनको आंसर्स नहीं आता, अनम्यूट ही नहीं हो रहा, चलो खत्म काम. ये बड़ा अच्छा एक्सक्यूज है. I will mark you absent if you will not give me answer. Type in chat box. So many students are sending me right answer. Yes, very good. अंगदीप से टाइप भी नहीं हो रहा, आपको आंसर भी नहीं सही टाइप हो रहा. अंगदीप, type in chat box. Very good. So many students are sending me correct answer. हार्दिक को बहुत हंसी आ रही है. हार्दिक is sending me emote icons. Angad is not able to type, and everybody is laughing for that. He is not able to unmute himself. He is not able to type. See his face expression. इसको पता ही नहीं क्या चल रहा है क्लास के अंदर. Wrong. Your answer is complete. See what he has written. I just tell you. We being do his work. His answer is we being do his work. This is answer of Angadeep. See how much attentive they are. More than 15 or 16 students. Yes, they are sending me right answer. So what will be its answer? Hardik Uppal, you tell me this answer. You were sending me emote icons, now you were laughing. Tell me this answer. Hardik Uppal. Otherwise, I will send you emojis. Hardik, I will send you emojis. Unmute yourself and tell me this answer. Dekho. Otherwise, he was laughing and he doesn't know the answer. This Hardik. Angad, your answer is wrong. Here we are doing revision. Revision is object. And we is a subject will become object. Revision will become object, will become subject. Now, what will be the answer?
Revision is being done by us.
अभी ये कौन बोल रहा है?
Ma'am Jalash.
हाँ?
Ma'am Jalash.
जलश को मैंने बोला बोलने के लिए. I told Jalash to speak in between. We are doing revision. Revision is being done by revision is being done by us. So this is your correct answer, and some students are still not attentive at all. See, I have told you very easy method. I'm going so slow with your revision. Still, if you are not able to tell me the correct answer, you just tell me what should I do. I think Angadeep and Hardik, they should attend offline classes. When they will be sitting in front of me, then I will improve them. Because in online, they are making excuses. They are not able to unmute. They are not able to type properly. I think they should attend offline classes. Revision is being done by us. She is doing her work. Sorry, she was doing her work. So what will be its answer? Her work. Hurry up, type in chat box. Her work. Yes. Her work was being done by her. So her work was being done by her. So बच्चे, whatever the rules we have discussed today, active passive voice, you jot down all the rules, do its practice, okay? You do maximum practice of each and every rule, only then you will be able to score good marks in grammar, okay? And still, if you face any kind of difficulty while doing active passive voice, you can ask me tomorrow.